Hi guys, Lucidity, Lucidity for all. I am back to you guys again with another training video as promised. So if you are new to the channel, we are on a series of videos to reach the year end, and I promise you to bring you to proficiency in shifting into lucid dreams and astral projections. So today's video subject is anchoring. So you already separated from your body, or you found yourself in the dream state and realized that it is a dream state, and then you start out, or the dream collapsed and you are back to the body, and it lasted only 5 seconds. So you need anchoring techniques. So what is anchoring? So this is already a little bit of advanced practice. Once you achieved the shift, you will encounter the issue of waking up too fast. So you already separated from your body, or you found yourself in the dream state and realized that it is a dream state, and then you start out, or the dream collapsed and you are back to the body, and it lasted only 5 seconds. So you need anchoring techniques to stabilize the environment and to stay in the newly achieved environment as long as possible. To perform some actions, to meet somebody interesting, to do something interesting, you need time, a minute, to preferably 15 minutes, half an hour, yeah? So, but for that you will need to anchor yourself so that you stabilize the dreamscape, the dream state. The shift and astral projection, however you want to call it. So for that, the anchors. So what are the anchors? Our anchors are our 5 senses, but we will focus mainly on 3 senses: the sense of touch, visual sense, and why not the sounds. So you already probably heard, or if not, I will repeat to you. One of the techniques consists of looking at your hands. So here goes the visual, but how you look at your hands is you look for the details. So you want to see the wrinkles of your hands. Same applies if you are not looking at your hands, looking at something else, at flowers, at the walls, or whatever is around you, at your t-shirt, or whatever you can find around you. Look for the details. The trick is to not to look as just overall shape and contour of the object, but you want to see the details, and you want to scrutinize the details. Don't stick to one detail, one wrinkle and another wrinkle and a third wrinkle and one petal of the flower and the leaves and the roots and another flower next to it, etc. You get what I mean. You want to pick, you want to get as many details as possible, not just one detail. Coming back to the hands, you can use your hands for sense of touch, rubbing them. Hands, you can rub them like that, you can rub them like this, you can rub your face, you can rub your body, you can rub on something else, on the surfaces of inside the dream state, and that has the anchoring effect. It will stick you inside the dream state. And focus on the sounds. So what sounds do you hear inside the dream state? So how do you focus on the sounds? Do not get sticked again on one sound. The birds, the wind, the fan, the air conditioning, somebody talking to you, okay? But in general, I find that visual and touch is more than enough. So I came up with something a little bit better, and I find it works because applying all of these techniques is a little bit how to say, hectic. It's a little bit hectic. You need to focus, rub the hands, do this, do that, different points, so many things to think about. I found a way over years of practice that sticks me in pretty well. Try it out and let me know how it works for you. Simply walk around and pay attention how you walk around. As you walk around, you are obliged to change your perception, your visual perception. As you move around, the vision changes. As you move around, your feet touch different surfaces. As I move around, I touch whatever I'm passing nearby. If I pass nearby a wall, I pass by and I touch the wall. I pass by next to a curtain, I will touch the surface of the curtain and bring your attention to how the curtain feels like. Not just touch and pass by. Not just touch the wall and pass by. No, touch and how does it feel the surface? Is it cold? Is it rough? Is it smooth? Is it sticky? Is it wet? Is it, so bring your attention to that. And as you walk, you will be obliged to change perception on different things, and pay attention that when you are looking around, it's at least as defined as your waking reality right now. So walk around and look at the horizon a little bit. Can you see far away? So if in case if you detect that your perception is limited to only 1 or 2 meters, as if somebody starts to switching off the light and the dream is collapsing, you need to stop any activity that you are doing within the dream state, because you are collapsing the dream. Is going to be a dream change to a false awakening, or it's going to be a dream change to a new location, and you could be losing your lucidity in the process, or you could be simply waking up and you lose the whole thing. So when it's happening, when you detect that your vision is reduced, you need to abandon doing whatever you are doing, as interesting it could be, and you need to indulge into the sensorization, anchoring into the dream state with the techniques that I have just explained. Okay, there is no point to continue to talk to an interesting person if the dream collapses within 5 seconds. You will not finish the conversation. So stop the conversation, stabilize the environment, and come back to the guy or girl or entity or animal, and continue your activity, whatever that was. Okay, so that is for the anchoring techniques. Okay, so see you soon in the next training video within 1 week for the next one, and do not forget to communicate down below your progress, your positive outcomes, and challenge me as well with the explanation that I have given to you guys today. And my kids are playing computer next to me, so bear with them. I am a family man. And challenge me, yes. I'm okay with the challenges, and it's to improve me and to improve the quality of what I do. But yeah, so go on. And if you would like to accelerate your practice, I have already compiled the course on the website lucidityforall.com. You can purchase the whole course to support me and to accelerate your practice. You have absolutely all the information inside what I propose there. And again, you can challenge me if you think that I didn't deliver. Challenge me, and I will adapt to whatever is inside. But so far, it's been many years. Nobody ever challenged what I proposed. So it's so far so good. So guys, see you soon again. Lucidity for all. Yuri Zalitsky signing out. See you soon.